How to turn off new followers in-app notification on TikTok. Today guys, I will show you how to turn off this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in this video. So let's start. First, you will just open your TikTok. Then when your TikTok is opening, go down and open your profile. Then when your profile is opening, go to this fairy line, click on it, then go to settings and privacy. After this, go to notification and then go in app notification, then open it, and then we'll find here new followers. Now you have to turn off this option. Just you go here on this place, click on it, and that's it. It will work with you. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.